Hello, dear viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending upon whatever part of the world you are right now in. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm your host. My name is Rakesh, and this is the channel of Dukas Copy, but I'm not their employee. So I'm an independent analyst who is using their platform to showcase his own analysis. Now, please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy. I'm not. Okay. Therefore, whatever I'm going to tell you here in this webinar or this live stream, the opinion, the trading ideas that we are going to discuss here, or the price action that we are going to discuss, it is not coming from the Lucas Copy research team. It is coming directly from my, straight from my heart, you can say, okay? And what are we going to do here in next few minutes? We'll have a look at the key levels of importance for all the instruments that we see. And when I say that all the instruments that we see, we will be actually having a look at the major forex pairs, US dollar index also, and gold, then maybe Brent crude oil, Bitcoin, and all the important markets I think we will be covering. In the meantime, if you feel like that you want me to cover any particular instrument, you can write that in the chat and I'll do a top-down analysis of that particular instrument right now in front of you in the screen. Okay, before I start, I must tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or entertainment or knowledge. You cannot see in whichever manner you want to see this video, but do not see it as a trading advice, because I cannot advise you on the financial matters. I'm not authorized to advise you. I'm just sharing my own views and ideas. Please do your own research before you trade live funds. Okay, you can do demo practice if you want, but do not trade live funds based on these advices or based on these webinar that I'm doing. Okay, you want to learn, you can learn, and then you do your own research and then do whatever you want to do. Okay, before we begin, let me take you through the risk disclaimer first. Here right now, please pause the screen if you're new to the markets. You might need to learn these risk disclaimers before you move to the charts. All right, like always, the first thing first, right now on your screen is the daily chart of dollar index. Okay, I'm sorry, the previous one was the Australian dollar, but this is the dollar index. First of all, we have to see what is happening in the dollar. So from here, we can see, looking in the past, this side, that the market has traded above 105.86. That was a crucial level in the past. Okay. Now after this, very important level comes at around 106.96. Although there is some slight gap here, but I don't care about that. I think that the price is moving towards 106.96 now. After a close above 105.86, this was expected to act as a support, but let's see if it has acted as a support or not. Look at this, price closed higher, acted as a support, acted as a support again. So today also the price is acting as a support, and I'm expecting actually to go higher and test 106.96. So guys, the bias is bullish. Okay, the support area that I'm looking for now in this market is this one. So you can remove the previous levels, because the price has made two highs, and in between those two highs, this is the highest low. So this becomes your reaction low, or you can also say upswing pivot. If the price breaks this 105.84, then we can be looking for the selling opportunities in this market. All right, so keep that in your mind. All right, so yeah, although it looks like it is on the verge of breaking that, this is 4 hour. If you go to the daily, your daily upswing pivot will be different. Your daily upswing pivot is very, very deep. here 103.62, or if you want to consider this one, then it is around 104.79, but this is not a swing. Okay, all right. What is happening in the pound? Well, in the pound it is going slowly and slowly to the downside. Any rise to the upside should be seen by 1.2499 as a resistance. 1.2499 is a very good opportunity to go short in this pair, again with the target of 1.2373. Now first time we had shorted here, now second time we are looking for shorting here. Okay, anytime, it may be tomorrow, it may be day after, it may be next week also. If you get an opportunity, go short here with a target of 1.2373. See, this is my language, guys. Please do not take it as a trading advice. Okay, I always say go short here, take book profits here. I'm saying it to myself. If you want to trade this, that is your own discretion. The risk is yours, reward is yours. This is not a trading advice. So like I was saying, on the upside, the important level is 1.2499. On the downside, the important level is 1.2373. So what I'm expecting here in this one is, I'm expecting a move like this. Okay, this is what my expectation is. So let's see how the things unfold in this one tomorrow. Euro dollar, something similar. We were expecting this area to be tested. The price has already gone to this area, but I don't want it to go beyond 1.0665. I want it to test this and come back. Now, if it comes back before that, then it will be very good. 1.0517 is still open in this market. On the upside, although, if the price goes beyond 1.0665, then I will start looking for the buying opportunities in this market. Because this is your downswing pivot. Now, downswing pivot, when the pivot breaks, the market structure shifts. In the Australian dollar also, the price is retracing today. 0.6443 is the level which may act as a resistance, although this is not the downswing pivot. The downswing pivot is resting at 0.6493. Now, if the price goes beyond that, then I will be looking for the buying opportunities in this market. Till the time the price is trading below that, I will be only looking for the selling opportunities. I hope you understand. At any point of time, if you fail to understand or you have trouble in understanding what I'm saying, please let me know in the chat. Okay. Now from here you can say that on a bigger time frame or from a bigger horizon, you can see that there was a symmetrical triangle, very clean triangle forming on the New Zealand dollar one day. And this week this triangle has broken to the downside. Now it is going up to maybe retest that area. Now a retest of this zone, which is a confluence of two resistances, one is this rising trend line, one is this horizontal trend line. This zone can be seen as a selling opportunity with the target lower as 0.5864 as the first target, and few further lower targets at 0.5774 and 0.5512 also. Okay, so these all things will be open once the price breaks from this testing. After this test, when it comes back, all these targets will be open to the downside. USD CHF, I think we have discussed it yesterday that it was trying to create a flag. Well, that flag is still valid, although this flag is still valid. I think this will break out very soon. Once it breaks out, I think we'll be able to buy this pair to the upside. Let's see how the things unfold. Right now it is trading at the zone where I'll not looking for buying or selling. Okay. USD CAD, a clean breakout to the upside. Now consolidation. Today is an inside bar. Any break above 1.3855 will open up the way for 1.3899. Now I am expecting the price to retrace back towards 1.3725 again. USD JPY, again a clean breakout, but today is consolidation. This is also an inside bar. Maybe the price will consolidate here for some time. Maybe even if it can come back towards 151.97 to test it as a fresh support, because after breakout the price has never come back to this area. New Zealand CAD, we are expecting lower prices in this one. I think I have discussed it yesterday also that this this area may be tested again for the fresh resistance with first target point 8065. Below that, lower prices will be established or open, but right now we are targeting 0.8065 in this market. Bitcoin, we were bearish yesterday, and in the last 6 hours I think it has only gone down 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the price has only gone down, and even on the 4 hour it has closed below 60,818. This is very bearish, I think, indication for this one, because if you consider this as a double top, this was the reaction low. This reaction low is broken now. Today if the price say closes here, then tomorrow it will be very difficult for the price to cross above 60,818. In fact, it will be very easy for the price to go below 59,200, which will be not very good idea for the Bitcoin, and the prices will drop to 50,578 next, only and only if this 6 hour and 46 minutes later the price is still below 60,880. So this will be very bad idea for the Bitcoin. Talking about the Brent has dropped to 87.45. Well, next level for this is 84.61. Any close below 84.61 will open up the way for 81.11. Any close below that will open for 76.66. So this is the possibility in the next time. Gold is consolidating. No trade in the gold whatsoever, so don't think about taking any trade in the gold right now. No buying, no selling. Nikkei, we were expecting this to break down to the lower side. It has broken down to the lower side. Now any retest of 38,278 should be seen as a selling opportunity. Now I will just reset it. Something like this has happened, guys. So expect something like this to happen, and then you can get the lower targets in this one. All right, now 38,278 should be acting as a resistance. Support is around 35,676. This is very far, so keep that in your mind. Euro JPY, I'm not trading this market. This is very hodgepodge here, not a clean trend, so just stay away from it. I think above 165.34 there will be a clean trend. Right now, not a clean trend. GBP AUD, yes, there is a clean trend. In this week we have seen a breakout to the upside in this one. I think all the targets are also taken. So we had seen an upside break, and the target first 1.9447 has been taken. Today is an inside bar. Maybe this is a retracement before it goes higher than 1.9447 and to the 1.9510. So this inside bar may be a consolidation only. Yeah. So you can keep it on the 1 hour chart and then create a triangle, sorry, not triangle, but a channel like this, and then you can extend it to the right and look for the channel to break to the upside, but before the price hits below 1.9234. Before that happens, if the price breaks above this channel, then it will be a buying opportunity at the break and retest. Okay, this will be your zone of buying. I hope you understand this part. Okay, so in this process the price should not go below this low, below this low of 1.9188. Why? Because on the daily this is now an upswing pivot for us. Yes, price went higher here, then it went lower, then it made a higher high. So between these two highs, what is the highest low? Sorry, lowest low, this one, right? I hope you get it. So like I was saying, this can go up to now this area 1.9188. All right, CHF JPY, I think we have discussed this, that yesterday, that once the price goes to test this falling channels resistance area, we should be looking for the selling opportunities with the target of 166.56 in this one. Now on the daily it is not so clear, but on the 4 hour I think you will be able to appreciate what is happening there. See, the price met with this resistance and is trying to come down. There is even a market structure shift, I think, on the 1 hour already. Yeah, on the 1 hour the market structure shift has already taken place. So look for the selling opportunities in this one, guys. CHF JPY, this is very heavy market, going to get down anytime soon. Or in New Zealand also something similar is happening. The price has hit the resistance zone and now is giving away the profits that it has earned in the earlier days. On the daily time frame also, I think the breakdown has happened. You see the market structure shifted, now is going down. Well, these two equal lows here, these are the support, or you can say yeah, just support, just say support. Okay, once this breaks to the downside, you can look for selling opportunities at the retest of that line. Okay, like this. So the first target below 1.0844 will be 1.0570. This you have to note down because there is no support whatsoever on the way down. So look for this level immediately after the price breaks below 1.0844. If it doesn't breaks for some reason and the price starts going up, then expect the price to break this monthly trend line, and then higher targets will be open in this market. So that's all guys from my side. I hope you got about some idea about the support and the resistance that is of interest in the coming time. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the chat, or if you want me to analyze any particular market in front of you, you can let me know about that also. All right guys, then I hope you know about the levels of support and resistance that are of interest in the coming hours and in coming days. My suggestion, my humble suggestion to you is that whenever you start trading in the live market or even in the demo markets, do not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade. Make this a habit of risking less than 1% so that you are profitable in the longer run, so that you do not blow off your account by risking more than required. I know this is difficult. I know it is very difficult for the beginners to understand, but if you understand this in the beginning, then there is nothing like it. Okay, and you should actually adjust your position size in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1%, and you should not take a trade if there is no potential of making at least 3 times of whatever you are risking. I hope you get it, and thank you very much for your patience being with me. Thanks for your time. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can also leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. I'm here every day other than Saturday and Sunday. Monday to Friday, I'm here at 1700 Greenwich Mean Time. So at 1700 GMT, I'll see you tomorrow again. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.